Oh, say, can you see by the dawn? Hey, 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 hey. This ain't okay. Swing the wee mix.
Here we go again in that supermarket, because the 4th of July is coming, and I don't know how to buy at the supermarket. Oh well, I'm just going to find another one. Oh wait. What is this? Oh wow. I have seen that this is the 4th of July fireworks. But I don't care, I'm just going to brings it and then steals them. Ha 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 ha. Aha! Now time to get out of here without noticing me. Ha ha ha.
Hey. Stop right there, Jack. What are you going to do with that 4th of July fireworks, huh?
I was just going to bring them, and then steals it. So that's why I have to bring them for a 4th of July on July 4th.
It doesn't matter, Jack. You cannot bring the 4th of July fireworks and tries to steal it from the supermarket. And also, this 4th of July fireworks are really dangerous.
Yeah, I agree with what Emberlyn said.
Same here as well, Emberlyn and Merrick.
Same here too. Now we're going to call your parents so that they can ground you.
Yeah. You heard what they said. Now go home.
Oh well, fine. I'm going home.
Well, I have to put the 4th of July fireworks back to the place where they belong.
Jack, what the hell is wrong with you? Why would you bring a 4th of July fireworks and then you attempt to steal them at the supermarket? You know that 4th of July fireworks are very dangerous.
I agree with your father, Jack. For this, you are grounded until July 10th comes. Go to your room.